Welcome. In today's guide, we're going to walk through a simple yet really handy trick: how to hide and archive a group on WhatsApp. Whether you want a little more privacy or just to clear away some clutter from your chat list, this method will help you keep things neat without having to actually leave the group. First, open WhatsApp on your phone and head straight to the Chats tab. This is where all your individual and group conversations are displayed. Take a moment to scroll through and find the specific group that you'd like to hide from plain view. Once you've located the group, tap and hold on it. You'll notice that a few options appear at the top of your screen. Among them, you'll see the archive icon, usually represented by a small box with a downward arrow. Go ahead and tap on that archive icon. Just like that, the group disappears from your main list of chats and is safely stored in your archived section. Don't worry, archiving doesn't delete the group, and it doesn't notify anyone in the group either. The group simply moves into a hidden space so your chat screen looks cleaner. Now, if you ever need to check that group again, just scroll all the way down to the bottom of your Chats tab. There, you'll see the archived section. Tap it, and you'll find every group and conversation you've chosen to hide. You can open the group, read messages, or even unarchive it if you'd like it back on your main list. It's also worth noting that whenever new messages come into an archived group, WhatsApp will keep it archived unless you change your settings. This is perfect if you want conversations to stay tucked away but still available whenever you need them. That's it. In just a few quick steps, open WhatsApp, go to the Chats tab, find your group, tap and hold, and select the archive icon. You can take control of your chat list and keep it organized the way you like.